In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp list template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a perfectly structured list, complete with tasks, custom fields, statuses, and views, so you can reuse it anytime without rebuilding it from scratch. Start by building out your ideal list. Add the tasks you want as examples or placeholders, and set up the custom fields you rely on, like priority, due dates, effort, or any specialized data your team tracks. Configure your statuses to reflect your workflow from the initial stages through completion, so every task moves consistently. Then set up the views you prefer, like list, board, or calendar, and apply any filters, grouping, or sorting that make your process clear. Think of this step as creating a polished blueprint. The more intentional you are here, the more useful your template will be later. When your list is ready, head to the sidebar and hover over the list's name. You'll see a small menu appear. Click the three dots to open the options, then choose Templates and select Save as Template. This is where you transform your current setup into a reusable asset. Give your template a descriptive, memorable name so you can quickly find it later. Include cues like the team, purpose, or workflow it supports. Next, set your sharing preferences. Decide whether this template should be private to you or visible to others in your workspace. If your team will use it, make it accessible to the right people from the start, so no one has to ask where it is or whether they're allowed to use it. Before saving, double-check that nothing sensitive is included in the tasks or fields. Templates can be used widely, so keep them clean, universal, and safe to share. Once you're happy with the name and sharing settings, click Save. That's it, your ClickUp list template is now ready. The next time you're starting a similar project, you can spin up a new list based on this template in seconds with your tasks, fields, statuses, and views already in place. A quick tip as you iterate. If you improve your process later, update your list and repeat the same Save as Template flow to keep your template current. Over time, your library of templates will become a powerful toolkit for consistency and speed across your projects.